It's just because we are working in an agile space doesn't mean to say you have to adopt a kind of agile approach for something and make it fit, make it really work for that piece of work that you're doing, when actually you know your requirements, it's a linear piece of work. It's classic waterfall.
CTIO 101, Business Technology, Simplified and Shared, sponsored by Fairmont Recruitment, hiring technology professionals across the UK and Europe. Don't forget to subscribe.
It's a linear piece of work. It's classic waterfall.
I think, though, when folks who are doing something maybe should be very well suited to waterfall, but they're turning to agile, aren't they sort of trying to innovate a little bit, even the waterfall approach? Maybe there's bits of agile that really chime with anyone who does delivery. It's like I'd like to pinch that and use it in the waterfall context.
That was an example of something that he took, actually, so he could still play that back in his team, even though it was kind of, from a project management perspective or a project point of view, it's still a waterfall.
Yeah. The inventor of waterfall was Winston Walker Royce. He was an American computer scientist, director at Lockheed Software Technology Center in Austin, Texas, a pioneer in the field of software development, known for his 1970 paper from which the waterfall model for software development was mistakenly drawn.
The original author of Waterfall, at the very end of the paper, and I went and got the paper and read it, just to, and you get right to the end, and he says something like, of course, you won't get this right first time through, so you need to iterate.
CTIO 101, Business Technology Simplified and Shared. Subscribe now. Sponsored by Fairmont Recruitment, hiring technology professionals across the UK and Europe.